From the question, we know that xn is the nth term of the GS, and we have the values of x6 and also x8. So that here, that means that R be the common ratio. Then the relationship between x6 and the x8 is that x6 times R will be the x7, and then times R squared will be x8. Therefore, how do we find R squared? R squared, it will be the ratio of x8 divided by x6. So it is 96 divided by 216, which is 4/9. So this is the R square. Now, then for R square is 4/9, then we can have R equal to 2/3 or negative 2/3. Now, to determine the options 1, 2, 3, now let's look at the option 2 first. Now for option 2, it is about the ratio of x5 and x7. Now actually the ratio of x5 and x7 is quite similar to the ratio of x6 to x8. Okay, because x7 will be or let me start from x5. x5 times r will be equal to x6, and x5 times r squared will be x7. Therefore, the ratio of x5 to x7 will be 1/r squared. So no matter what is the value of r, the ratio of x5 to x7 will be 9/4. So option 2 is correct. Now, from this MC, if option 2 is correct, then clearly A and C are wrong, so 1 is not correct. Let me now explain why 1 is not correct. Okay, now for 1, now for x3, how can you find out the x3 is that actually we don't need to find out the first term. We only need to calculate or to use a similar relationship between x6 and x8. Now we can have x3 times r, then it will be equal to x4. x3 times r squared will be x4 times r, which is x5. So x3 times r squared will be x6. So we can use this one to find out the values of x3. The x3 times x to the power 3 here should be x to r to the power 3 here. So how can we find x3? It is x6 divided by r cubed. However, there will be two values of r, plus or minus. So it means that the values of x3 can now we use 216 divided by 2/3 to power 3, or 216 divided by negative 2/3 to power 3. Therefore, x3, there are two values of x3, 729 if r is positive, or negative 729 if r is negative. Therefore, there should be two values of x3. So option 1 is wrong. Now lastly,